Good afternoon, children. So, how you all? Yes, I hope you all fine. Okay, so this is GK class, right? Okay, so before that, all of you take your textbook, pencil, erasers, everything. While I am teaching, along with me, you have to write. Okay, children? Before that, had your lunch? Yes, okay. So, all of you take page number 38. 38, page number 38. Okay. So, the right color. So, these three questions. No, this page, entire page, you children, you all know this. Okay. So, first one. Sometimes a color tells us what to do. Like the colors of the traffic signal. Okay, traffic signal. So, traffic signal, in that traffic signal, what are the three colors it will be used? Red, amber and then green. Right? Red, amber, green. In the main areas, in order to reduce the traffic problem, they will use this traffic signal lights. So, what are the colors? Red, amber and green. So, this red indicates, it tells us to stop, right? Because red can be seen from very far. Okay, ma? Red can be seen from very far, and all over the world, the color red is used to say stop. Okay, all over the world, this color is used to say stop because it can be seen from very far distance, right? And also it indicates that this color indicates danger. Okay, so this red tells us to stop. Okay, and what is this color? Amber. Amber color tells us to see. Red tells us to stop. Amber color means it tells us to get ready. Okay, it tells us to get ready. Green means it tells us to go. We can move from that place. Before that moving, this amber will indicate us to get ready to move. Okay, we can start the vehicle. We can switch on the vehicle. Okay. So, these three colors, it is used to indicate in the traffic place, traffic signal. Okay, so here you see the question, first question. Dash tells us to stop. Now only I said, which color? Very good, red, correct? It's a danger color all over the world. This red color indicates to stop, okay? So, what's the answer? Red, right there. What's the spelling of red? R-E-D, red. Right? Okay, finished? Okay, children, very good. So, second question. Dash tells us to get ready. Yes, this also now only I have said to you. What is that? Amber, this color. Okay, this tells us to get ready. So, what's that name? Amber. Okay, it's amber. A-M-B-E-R, amber. A-M-B-E-R, amber. And finally, dash tells us to go. Green, right? Green. G-R-E-E-N, green. So, red tells us to stop. Amber tells us to get ready. Green tells us to go. Okay, children? And then we can go to next session. Sometimes we see a rainbow in the sky. When the sun comes out after it stops raining, right? After it stops raining, we can see the rainbow, right? When the sun comes out after it stops raining, we see a rainbow in the sky. You all know that there are 7 colors in the rainbow, isn't it? There are 7 colors in the rainbow. First you say, what are the colors? Violet, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and then red. Correct? So what are the 7 colors? Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and then red. See, there are 7 colors in the rainbow. So what's the first color? Violet. What's the spelling of violet? V-I-O-L-E-T. Violet. V-I-O-L-E-T. Violet. Second, it's indigo. I-N-D-I-G-O. Indigo. Then blue. B-L-U-E. Blue. Then green. G-R-E-E-N. Green. Then yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. Then orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Then red. R-E-D. Red. So there are 7 colors in the rainbow. Okay, ma? What are they? Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Now you say along with me. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. So what's the spelling of violet? V-I-O-L-E-T. Violet. I-N-D-I-G-O. Indigo. B-L-U-E. Blue. G-R-E-E-N. Green. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. R-E-D. Red. Did you all finished? Okay. Shall I move to the next page? It's a clockwork. Okay. See here. In the morning, Minnie first brushes her teeth. That's why we have written 1 and morning. Next to one of the pictures below. First picture they have completed. The next picture onwards they have given. Write the correct number and part of the day for the other activities. Put in that time too. The clock will help you. So, will you? Okay, children. See. First one they have completed. In the morning while they are wake up, what they will do? They will brush the teeth, right? So in that brushing, it happens in the morning, right? So that is the first one. So they have mentioned the number 1. And second, what she is doing? She is going to school, right? So when she will go, it's in the morning, correct? So morning only she will go to school. What's the time here? It's 8 o'clock, correct? It's 8 o'clock. So you have to write there. Morning only she will leave, right? And also the time also denotes that it's morning. So you write there morning. M-O-R-N-I-N-G. Morning. 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. C-L-O-C-K. 8 o'clock. And this is the second activity, right? First activity she will brush. That is denoted here. So this is the second activity. You put the number as 2. And what she is doing? This is the noon time, right? See the time? 3. 3 means it's afternoon, correct? 3 means it's afternoon. So you write there afternoon. A-F-T-E-R-N-O-O-N. Afternoon. And what's the time? 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. So this is the fourth activity, right? Because second activity and here you see the time 12 o'clock. So this is the third time, third activity, and this is the fourth activity, afternoon. So here it's the third activity, right? What's the time? 12 o'clock. See, 12 o'clock. So it's a noon. N-O-O-N. Noon. 12 o'clock. And what's the activity? Third activity. Right? After that only this activity will come. Because it's, see the time? 3 o'clock. See the time? 12 o'clock. So 12 it's noon. 12 o'clock it's the third one. And then afternoon it's the fourth activity. And see, this is evening, right? 5 o'clock means evening, right? So, what she is doing? Yes, she is playing, right ma? She is playing. So, evening. What's the time? 5 o'clock. So, this might be the fifth one. And then, see, what a good girl. 9 o'clock itself, she is sleeping. See, night. 9 o'clock. It's the sixth activity, and morning 6 o'clock it's the first activity. So in the morning she is waking at 6 o'clock. See, early to bed and early to rise, right? So morning 6 o'clock it's the first activity, and then she is going to school. Morning 8 o'clock it's the second activity, and then noon 12 o'clock. See, it's the third one, and afternoon 3 o'clock it's the fourth one. Evening 5 o'clock she is playing. That's the fifth one, and night 9 o'clock finally it's the sixth one. See, these are the activities which is doing by Minnie. Okay, so her name is Minnie. Okay, children, did you complete it? Did you complete? Shall I take the next page? See, this is an interesting one. Sheep farm. So sheep farm to it will sheep farm to wool, and then sheep farm to sheep. Okay, first I will connect and then I will explain. Okay. Then this poultry to egg. First you connect this poultry to egg. Then you connect this poultry to hen. Poultry to egg and poultry to hen. And this hive to honey, and then this hive to bee. Okay, hive to honey and hive to bee. And this dairy to milk, and this dairy to cow. And finally orchard, right? It's to mango and then mango tree. See, sheep farm to wool and sheep farm to sheep. Poultry to egg and with hen. Hive to honey and with bee. Dairy to milk and then cow. So orchard to mango and then mango tree. So what's the explanation means? So you all know that poultry. From here I will explain. Okay. Poultry means it's a domestic fowl, right? Where chickens, ducks, turkeys, geese we will get from this poultry, right? And then a hive. Hive means it's a box-like structure. So where bees live, right? And also a dairy. Dairy means it's a place where milk is kept. And also it's a place where food like butter and cheese are made. Okay, children? And then orchard. It's a piece of land in which fruit trees are grown. Right? Fruit trees are grown. That place is said as orchard. Okay, clear? Okay, the next page. 41. Symbol. You all know that. Do plants need sunlight to grow? You all know, right? Yes, plants need sunlight to grow. Do plants need water to grow? Yes. Plants grow on cement or in the soil. These also you all know, right? In the soil. Plants need smoke or air? Air. The EVS itself I have explained to you, right? Okay. And this plant can store water for many days. You see it in the desert. We no need to pour water for daily for this plant, okay? Because if you are pouring for one day, it will store it for more days, right? So what is its name? Its name is cactus. C-A-C-T-U-S, cactus. And see, what trees are these? In every home, most of the home, you will have this tree. What is this? Very good, coconut. Okay, children. So, we studied 4 pages today, right? So, complete it immediately and send a snapshot to me. Okay, children? So, bye-bye. The next class we can meet. Bye-bye, children.